All right, so today we're gonna make some taco seasoning. I'm doing a video on a taco recipe, but what we're gonna do is make our own seasoning. You probably buy one of these packets. Well, guys, making your own seasoning can be a game changer. You can save money and you're getting really fresh ingredients because these things could be sitting around forever. The other thing about these two, they have different ingredients that you really don't need. The first ingredient in this is brown rice flour. And I bet you anything that's like an anti-caking agent. This batch will be for 1 pound of ground beef, but you can make it and double it and have it for, you know, other recipes. All right, so the first big ingredient here we got is chili powder. This is like the biggest base of this. And this one you need the most. You're gonna need about 1 tablespoon of this chili powder. Now guys, with seasonings, it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's just about 1 tablespoon. Next, we got 1 teaspoon of cumin, paprika, you get 1 teaspoon of that. Now guys, instead of just this regular paprika, you can also do a smoked one. Both of them are great. Next, we got half a teaspoon of oregano. If this isn't fine enough, guys, you can make it finer, grate it up a little bit. Get half a teaspoon. This is actually a little thick, but onion powder, garlic powder, both of those get half a teaspoon. And this is just a common spice that I use all the time, garlic and onion powder. Now guys, I'm gonna let you decide this one. If you're a spicy person and you like the spice, you can add cayenne pepper. And this is what changes the game from spicy or not. And if you like it more, add a little more. But this is a good base, guys. Start with this seasoning. Try it on your next taco meal. We're a little bit of lightweights in this family, so we're gonna do a little under the 8. Oh, that's a little over. And then you're just simply gonna give it a good mix. Get all that incorporated as best as possible. Now guys, there's one other ingredient that you don't see in this taco seasoning, and that's salt. And the reason why I don't add it to this is because I add salt as I make my tacos. So that ground beef, as I'm cooking it up and it's almost finished, I got a whole browning beef video you should check out. I'll leave it in the description. That's when I season it at the very end of that. So that's why I don't add salt to the seasoning. Hey guys, I wanted to share with you real quick. I have a cooking basics course. It's got lessons in there that will help you learn how to cook or elevate your cooking game. It's extremely affordable. Check out the link in the description or the link above. Now let's get back to the video. And guys, I just mixed it, but I forgot to add cracked black pepper. This is gonna be a 1/4 teaspoon. You can measure this if you like. I tend to just kind of roughly do this because I kind of know about this amount is going to give me that 1/4 teaspoon. And then again, give it a good stir. So guys, that's a simple recipe, how to make a taco seasoning. Try it out for your next taco. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And do you like it spicy or not?